The name of this project is Vedic Vida Ashram, where you live a simple life and very disciplined life. So this place is very close to the nature. It has rivers, mountains, waterfall nearby. I think in this fast-paced life, you need some time to slow down, observe the nature, and refresh yourself. We have created office space, cabins, high-speed internet for teams to come over here, collaborate, and with nature build new business ideas or have their management meeting where they have zero distraction. That's what we are doing it over here in a disciplined way. That's why we call it Vedic Vida Ashram. Food over here is grown over here. It's all organic. Local people are also growing food for us. We are growing a lot of herbs. We have our own milk, our own cheese. So it's all natural. Vedic Vida Ashram is really built around community. We involve our community, local community. They come and work here. Any guest who's coming is their guest too. So we are creating a good ecosystem for ourselves as a team to really build this place very natural, very welcoming, and good for everybody in the community. We are not binding you with any routine. You create your own routine. You be with the nature. You be with your own people and really connect to people as people, not their bosses or with any differences. And you interact based on the ideas, not personality. And that's what nature tells us. That's where the surrounding brings in you. So we welcome people who are like-minded. You will feel very welcome over here because not only you are our guests, but we learn so much from you. Welcome to Vedic Vida Ashram.